Green Campaign, Watershed Project, Landscaping Project, Annual Mass Bloodletting Activity, and repair of the school buildings and facilities through Brigada Eskwela. Aside from being an honor student, he is also a recipient of various awards and recognitions, one of which is the 2008 Outstanding Senior Scout of his council. Ladies and gentlemen, our first awardee is Eagle Scout Harrison E. Bautista.
Marami lang kayo, marami lang kayo.
Our next awardee is a Council Outstanding Scout for the year 2008-2009 and has led in many worthwhile scout activities from council, regional, national, and international. He had also taken initiative in community work like the 2007 Scout Governance Camp Against Corruption, traffic assistance, and our next awardee is from Eastern Pangasinan Council, Scout Willow C.
Oh, psst, psst.
Let's move on. Since his grade school up to of Northeastern Luzon Region. Ladies and gentlemen, Eagle Scout Henry Lomios and Chief. Our next awardee, we move on to the fourth. He has spearheaded different community service projects, also a consistent honor student. From Manila Council, ladies and gentlemen, Scout Dan Julius Estes. Our Victorian Journalist of the Year in the Leadership Award. Fellow Scouts, our next awardee is from Southern Tagalog Region, Laguna Council, Eagle Scout Cesar P. Our next awardee is spearheaded the environmental awareness campaign in their school and nearby communities by the Department of Education and the Department of Environment and Natural Resources. Ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee is Venture Scout Michael Angelo B. Lowry of the Scout. Birthday coincides with the feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is from Cebu Council. Venture Scout Ray Michael C. Our next awardee is from the Visayas region. Scout Albert John Matthew Kaluluwa and International Coastal Cleanup. Ladies and gentlemen, from Luzon, La Union Council, Eagle Scout Jeremiah P. pilgrim assistance in cleanup drive, Christmas gift giving, replanting, and others. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear scouts and scouters, the 10th is Scout Angelo Jaime P. Guzman of Cagayan Township.